Here's my Haro Forum Intro Lite Lolo. It's the green pea soup color. It's a Crmo 20 and a half top tube. Yeah, it's a pretty good bike. Worth $400. It's like 27 pounds. But you can strip off the weight hella easily. It's a 1 1/8 inch threadless fork with a 3/8 dropout. Alienation plain black rims with Odyssey Aitken tires. The download stem with Crmo 7.5 inch rise handlebars that are pretty wide with a Tektro brake kit, with a straight cable. It's a 175mm crank with a 25 tooth sprocket, and it's a mid ball bearing. The rear is hollow. It's a 9-tooth sealed cassette, one-piece cassette, with a double wall Alienation back rim, Odyssey Aitken tires also. You can see that. You could shed some weight easily by taking off all the plastics on the bike and cutting the seat post, which is like this long. Yeah, so I cut it down to right there. Yeah, it's a pretty good bike, worth $400. Could be easily brought down to 25 pounds. You get what you pay for.